Starting the word processor. Mostly people apply word processor shortcut on desktop or choose from program option within Windows Start option. Anatomy of the application window. To get familiar with MS Word, there are many important components to know before start using it, such as menu bar, contains file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, table, window and help menus. Standard toolbar contains icons for shortcuts to menu commands. Formatting toolbar contains pop-up menus for style, font and font size, icons for boldface, italic and underline, alignment icons, number and bullet icons, indentation icons, the border icon, highlight and font color icons. View buttons. It contains options for different views such as normal, web layout, print layout, outline and read-only view. Tab stop. It is a location where cursor stops after the tab key is pressed and it is used to enable users to align text by pressing tab key. Drawing toolbar. It allows to quickly and easily label pictures, insert pictures, drawing basic shapes, changing colors in file. Status bar. Display page number, section number and total number of pages, pointer position on page and time of the day. MS Word names the blank document as Document 1. To open a new document, click on New button. Then we can start typing any introduction text from the default position of insertion point, or we can place insertion point at any other position as well.